Hey guys, so yesterday, if y'all watched, no, not yesterday, because like I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but whenever I posted my last video, which is I think the OTD Fash one, I seen people that were like, oh, do a makeup get ready with me. And guys, I like doing those, to be honest, more than anything, because I feel like I could just talk to y'all and I could tell y'all how everything's going and you know what's been going on in my life and blah 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 blah. So I feel like I like doing those, but a lot of y'all get annoyed of me just talking. So I try to change it up and give you different type of content. But today it's gonna be a get ready with me, and if you don't like it, then I'm sorry. But I did film my my room tour, beauty room, whatever. Guys, that's kind of a fail. Like, I don't know. I feel like it was just a boring video. I feel like I could just guess it where like all my shit's at. Like basically this is just my room. Like everything you see is what you're gonna see in the video. Like everything you see in the background is what you're gonna get. But I still wanted to record it, you know, just to show y'all my room tour and show y'all where I get my stuff from. So people, you know, I get questions, oh, where you get your vanity, or where you get this, where you get that, where you get that, blah blah. So it's just like a better video to get in depth about where I get all my shit from. So I did film that. I think it's gonna be uploaded after this. And guys, I am so sorry, but I don't know why my vanity and like my shelves just look dusty. I guess I didn't clean them right. You know how like shelves, if you have like IKEA shelves or just any kind of shelves, you know how they get like dust. I didn't even see that there was dust on them till I seen the video. I was like, no fucking mames, like people are gonna think I'm fucking dirty. Today I'm gonna go for a like Christmassy look. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna go for, to be honest. I'm just bullshitting. But all I know is obviously I want to use some glitters. I just organized my glitters. Let me show you. Ooh. So this is where I keep all my glitters. I just organized them, like I said, so I kind of want to use them. Is spray my face with the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray, whatever. So I don't even know if this works, but I just like spraying it. And I don't really like, I hate the smell of roses, but I mean, I got this on Amazon. This is the Embryolisse moisturizer. A lot of makeup artists use this and it's fucking bomb. Like, oh my god. Like, I went to this makeup class a couple weeks ago, I think like a month ago. That was a lot. And the lady that was teaching me, Jackie, she uses this and I was like, what the fuck, because it's literally bomb. It's a bomb ass moisturizer. It is expensive, guys. It is kind of expensive. Like that little tube I think was like 30 bucks, I think, but it's still worth it. I use this basically as just a primer and a moisturizer at the same time, because it has that sticky base, and it also keeps you moisturized. Let me do my eyebrows and then come back. So as you can see, I already got a little carried away. I did my eyebrows and foundation and concealer off camera. I did use my Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation and my Maybelline Adrian Wine. You already know these are my favorites. I don't need to say that. But now I'm gonna go in with my Pinky Rose contour palette. Looks like this. And I'm gonna use the last shade to contour my face. I'm gonna go in with my RCMA no color powder. I went to this makeup store here in Houston. It's called the MUA Project, and they have like everything. Like they have the Ben 9 stuff, they have Pinky Rose, they have the Balm, They have all kinds of shit. Crown brushes, Morphe brushes, Morphe this, Morphe that. And I picked up this. I picked up the Pinky Rose palette. And I picked up some other stuff. And, you know, this shit's been out for, like, forever. And I think this is my second time using it. I need to apply it to the palette. Honestly, I really don't have, I don't know. I feel like it just leaves my under eyes too white. I'm not really that a fan of it, like how some people are or were. But I seen that they have other different colors, like that are actually colors. But I didn't want to pick those up because I wanted to try this one first to see how I liked it. And I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't really know if I like this powder. I mean, it's good. It's for the price. Like, you can't beat it, but I don't know. For my clients, I feel like this one is better than the Airspun, because the Airspun kind of dries you out. I don't know how to say it. Like, it makes you a little too dry. Like, I don't know, on some of my clients it would just look too dry and I'll be like, what the fuck? And then on some of my clients it would look flawless. So it's just, I guess some don't work. The Airspun doesn't really work for everybody. I seen this girl and this guy on Instagram do like snowflakes in their eyes with like glitter and stuff for like wintertime, and I thought that shit was so cute. I wanted to recreate it, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. But since I do film on my phone, I kind of forgot already how like the colors are and stuff, so I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, now going back into my Morphe palette, I'm gonna go back in that baby blue shade and just add more baby blue in this area, just so the navy blue won't take over. And then I'm gonna blend up just a little bit with that navy blue. And then going back in with the baby blue brush and just blending the edges out so it won't be so harsh. Now going in with some concealer. This is kind of a little bit too yellow. Should have used the lighter. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and obviously these are the two shades that I always go with. So I'm gonna add that into my inner corners. So right here with the baby blue one. And this is gonna go in the outer V. Now going in with the Sephora brush and the navy blue color, I'm just gonna I'm making the outer V area darker, so like that. And you see how I'm not getting fallout? Like, it's just, for me, I don't know, I feel like I already know how to work the eyeshadows, so I won't get no fallout. That right there, I don't know how the fuck I stained that though. So I did apply the NYX white eyeliner, and I didn't do a wing because what I'm gonna do, or should I do a wing? I don't think I'm gonna do a wing, but what I'm gonna do is just go in with my Kiss Lash Glue And on top of the white eyeliner that I applied on my eyes, I'm gonna apply glitter. So this is the glitters from Super Glitters in, fuck, this is kind of word off already, but it's just a holographic, just all different silver colors. And then this one is Ice Blast, so also from Super Glitters. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, and this one's gonna go in my inner corners. And then let me show you, hopefully it doesn't fall over. So yeah, this one's gonna go in my inner corners, and then the blue one's gonna go in my outer corner. So this one, pretty sure is gonna fall off if I show y'all. So yeah, but it's just this one. Let me just put on my lashes and my eyeliner on, and then I'll be back just so I won't take up too much storage on it. So I know you're looking at me like a whole different type of eye right now. I forgot that I was gonna add snowflakes, and I was already gonna put my eyelashes on, and I was like, what the fuck, hold on, I need to put the snowflakes. So basically I just used the NYX white eyeliner, and I just put like a couple dots, and then I tried to do snowflakes, but they look like shit, to be honest. I don't even know. I'm so bad at drawing, and I'm so bad at art that I don't even know how to do them like good. So yeah, so that's what I added on, and then I went and put my eyelashes on. Now I'm thinking if I should put, I don't know. What he did is like crying tears down of glitter, but I don't think I want to do that. Yeah, I don't think I want to do that. I actually like this look a lot. So I mean, just cause it's an inspired look, I'm gonna do it. Be using these gems, and I'm gonna apply them to the bottom of each. My e.l.f. plumping gloss, and just add a little bit of this. So yeah, you guys, this is my little get ready, turn into a makeup tutorial, freaking, I don't know, icy makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. I'm loving this. Like, guys, if y'all want me to do more looks like this, like glittery, festively, like, I'm your girl for that. I love doing these kinds of videos. And if I keep looking up here, it's because my mirror's up here and I'm like not looking at myself on the phone. So yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up for more videos like this. Comment down below if you loved it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. What else? So I have my room tour video coming next week, so keep out on the lookout for that. And yeah, guys.